In this example, I have 3 secant squared theta times tan squared theta plus 1 equals to secant to the power of 6 theta minus tan to the power of 6 theta. So I don't know which one is better to start. Both of them looks complicated, so let me start from the left hand side. So I have 1 over cosine squared theta. Here I have sine squared theta divided by cosine squared theta plus 1. Then I have here 1 times sine squared, it will be sine squared. Here I have cosine to the power of 4 theta. Then here I have, since I have cosine to the power of 4 theta, I can write the same thing here. For 1, I can write cosine to the power of 4 theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. So it will be cosine to the power of 4 theta, 3 sine squared plus cosine to the power of 4 theta. Then I can write here as 3 sine squared theta plus one minus sine squared theta squared, because cosine to the power of 4 is the same as cosine to the power of 2 to the power of 2. So it will be equal to 1 minus sine to the power of 2 theta to the power of 2. Then cosine to the power of 4. Then I will have 3 sine squared theta plus, here I have 1 plus sine to the power of 4 theta minus 2 sine to the power of 2 theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. Then we cancel these two. It will be just sine squared theta plus sine to the power of 4 theta plus 1 divided by cosine to the power of 4 theta. Next step would be, here I have so now, since I can see here on the right hand side, I have secant to the power of 6, so I need to, both of them to the power of 6, so I need to somehow increase the exponent of 4 here to 6. So I multiply both numerator and denominator by cosine squared theta. So again, if I come back here, I have in numerator, I have basically 1 if I convert it to cosine, and here I have sine. So I need to get rid of this cosine here, so I will have sine squared theta plus sine to the power of 4 theta plus 1 multiplied by 1 minus sine squared theta divided by cosine to the power of 4 times cosine to the power of 2. It will be cosine to the power of 6 theta. Then I multiply this one, so this, and then we do the same. Sine squared theta times 1 is sine squared theta. Sine to the power of 4 theta times 1 is going to be the same, and 1 times 1 is 1. Here I have sine squared times sine squared, sine to the power of 4 theta. Then I have sine to the power of 2 and 4, 6 theta. And then I have sine squared theta, cosine to the power of 6. Then these two cancel out. These two cancel out also, and I will end up having 1 minus sine to the power of 6 theta divided by cosine to the power of 6 theta. So I have 1 over cosine to the power of 6 theta minus sine to the power of 6 theta divided by cosine to the power of 6 theta. So it will be secant to the power of 6 minus tan to the power of 6 theta. That's what you see on the right hand side of there. equation.